All right, I'm Paul here at Castle Performance with my father. We are a performance shop in Illinois. We specialize in classic to modern day performance muscle cars. We do anything from engine upgrades, suspension, transmission, EFI kits, fuel system upgrades, you name it, we got it covered. Give us a call today.
Welcome to the 58th Annual O'Reilly Auto Parts World of Wheels presented by South Oak Dodge. I'm Doc Riley, and what a great time it is here in Chicago. We have got the championship finale that the winners have just been released. We have the Legend Cup presented by Clean Tools. That'll be done later on in the weekend. Plus, we just have the regular Summit Racing Equipment Show Car Awards to go through. And here in Chicago, you get cars and trucks and bikes of every type imaginable, and color and customization. It is one incredible show, so please enjoy this next video.
Alright, I'm Danny, and this is our 1967 Chevelle. We got here at the World of Wheels in Chicago. It's a big block car, SS 454. Just got it restored at the Hot Rod Institute in Rapid City, South Dakota. This would be the fourth show we've had it at. Complete frame-off restoration, complete interior done, House of Color candy apple red paint job. Got a custom hood scoop on top there for the make clearance for the carbs there. Let me see what else. We got shaved drip rails. Got rid of the trim on the bottom. Other accents. We got our painter Eldon Amaro. He painted in the Super Sport and ghosted in the SS 454 on the door there. Complete trunk enclosure done. That was all done in house.
How many hours did it take you to do all this?
Man, hour-wise, it's hard to say. I'd have to go back, but there's probably at least 2,000 plus hours into it. Let me see. Oh, it drives awesome. Now you say we build them to drive, and got 3-inch dual exhaust out the back.
How did you decide on the color of the paint?
The color was actually a customer's choice. We wanted the candy apple red. Let's take a look at the interior here. Oh. All right, let's take a look at the interior. We did the custom red stitching in the pleats there on the seats. Had the red buffalo done there. Even integrated into the shift knob.
What's your favorite part of the car?
Probably my favorite part of the car would probably be the color.
Okay.
Color and drivability. This thing really drives awesome. You can cruise down the road. It's got the Tremic 5-speed, so you can run down the road and not worry about revving the RPMs way too high, and shift it into overdrive, and you're good to go. So I'm Danny with the Hot Rod Institute in Rapid City, South Dakota, and we're here, and this is a '67 Chevelle we brought. This would be my first time presenting it at the World of Wheels show. The customer, he's already brought it to 4 other World of Wheels shows around the country, so this would be the first time I've been presented here. So here we are with the '67 Chevelle at the 58th Annual World of Wheels Car Show. I'm with the Hot Rod Institute, and the rod shop at Hot Rod Institute actually built this car. It was about 2 years to complete. It's got the House of Color candy apple red with and we just got it done earlier this spring. It's got the 454 SS Super Sport. Yep, we checked in and out.
And so what are we looking at?
We're looking at the 454 here. All billet serpentine system, AC, 3-inch exhaust all the way back, dual exhaust, the Tremic 5-speed.
How much horsepower?
Horsepower, this one's probably somewhere around 400 horse. So I'm Danny with the Hot Rod Institute, and I would like to give a shout out to the rod shop at HRI for completing this 1967 Chevelle. We're located in Rapid City, South Dakota. So if anybody's ever out that way, feel free to stop by. We're open 7 days a week. If anybody ever has any questions, feel free to contact us. I'm one of the rod shop managers, and God damn, that's all right. So I'm Danny. If anybody would want to get in contact with us about doing a future project, my number is 605-786-7931. My email is danny@hotrod.edu. You can also visit our website at www.hotrod.edu. One thing too, we're not only a rod shop, but we're also a school that we teach frame-off building of custom hot rods, muscle cars. They go through building chassis, sheet metal shaping, refinishing, and upholstery, and even get into the performance side of things. So if you're looking to have a car done at a high quality and superior drivability, you can get it done at the Hot Rod Institute.
Here at Castle Performance, we have over 30 years experience in these muscle cars. Also, 1,000 product line, anywhere from turbochargers to superchargers, bolt-on wheels, whatever you'd like. I recommend you give Castle Performance a try, where fast cars is our middle name.